Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make protein powder cookies. First, combine your dry ingredients in a bowl. 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of baking soda. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of creamy nut butter, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a dash of vanilla extract. This initial step sets the foundation for delicious, healthy treats. Now slowly add your wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until a thick, uniform dough forms. If it seems too crumbly, add milk, 1/2 teaspoon at a time until it reaches a good consistency. Next, roll the dough into small, uniform balls, roughly 1½ inches across. Gently flatten each ball onto your prepared baking sheet, creating perfect cookie shapes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your flattened cookie dough onto the parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges begin to turn a light golden brown. Overbaking can make them dry, so keep a close eye on them. Once baked, let them cool on the sheet for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. Your delicious and healthy protein powder cookies are now ready to enjoy. They make a fantastic post-workout snack or a guilt-free treat anytime. For best results, store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. And hey, while you're treating yourself, why not treat your car too? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.